Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Oh my gosh, we're in El Dorado Hills and it's chilly here. Oh my goodness. I don't even know what the temperature is, and I'm a California girl, so anything below 50 is cold for me. So it's cold. Anyway, I have my little fireplace all set up, so I have my workstation right next to it. It's very cozy and I'm very happy to be inside. Anyway, I wanted to give you a little insight on why Pete and I do what we do. You know, there's a lot of work that goes into it, as you can imagine. We've got the videos we have to do and all the stuff that's behind it, the cinematography, the looking for trends, and trying to find out what people need and want as far as information and that whole thing. So there's a lot of work, but gosh, we love it. We just eat it for breakfast. And I wanted to kind of just let you know that when we're looking for your house or your apartment or your special place in Italy, it is so exciting for us because it brings it all back, all the excitement, all the fun, all the ups and downs when we were looking for our house in Italy. And then when we finally got it, when I get your keys and we do our video with your keys, it's almost like I'm getting my keys all over again. It's just, it all comes back. And that's really why we do it. It's the most exciting, most fun thing we can think of. Knowing that we've just helped you open a door to a whole new life and a new dream and all these new experiences. We just wouldn't trade it for the world. So anyway, that's just a little bit about us, and we are so looking forward to seeing you. Thank you guys for all your support, all your donations, all your input and comments on the channel. If you want to see anything or you have questions about something, put it in the comments, and we go through the comments and go, oh, what do people want to know? And then we try to give that to you. So anyway, happy Christmas, you guys. See ya.